Dear students, as we all know, because of corona pandemic, the teachers are not able to take regular classes. So, we are advised by our competent authorities teach students through online mode. So, in this series, we shall study the poem Like as the Waves by William Shakespeare. Shakespeare was a great literary figure in the English literature. He wrote many plays, dramas, poetry. He wrote about 154 sonnets. Out of 154, the sonnets 1 to 126 he dedicated to his friend W.H. and from 127 to 152 he addressed or dedicated his sonnets to a dark lady. And the remaining two poems were poem 150 to 154 were Greek classical poems. Total 154 sonnets, 1 to 126 he dedicated to his friend W.H. Then 127 to 152 his sonnets were dedicated to a dark lady, his lady love. Then 152 to 154 were Greek classical poems. And next, what is a sonnet? What is a sonnet? What is the definition of sonnet? It is very important thing. The basic thing. Sonnet is a lyric poem of 14 lines comprising equal length. Sonnet is a poem of 14 lines comprising equal length. What is a sonnet? Sonnet is a poem of 14 lines comprising equal length. Next, how many types of sonnets are there? There are two types of sonnet. Shakespearean sonnet and Miltonic sonnet. Our poem, Like as the Waves, comes in this category, Shakespearean sonnet. What is a Shakespearean sonnet? Shakespearean sonnet comprises of 14 lines, thick curtains of 4 lines is and a single couplet. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 and two lines of couplet. 4 4 4 4 and 2. 4 into 3 is 12 and 12 into 14. Two lines of couplet. I think you are not familiar with the word couplet. Couplet is a concluding stanza in a sonnet. Couplet comprises of two lines. Couplet contains two lines, and the major portion of the sonnet has been covered by the three quatrains, and in the concluding stanza here comes the couplet. In the couplet there is a crux of a sonnet or a crux of a poem, the message of a poem. And next, what is a Miltonic sonnet? There is a huge difference between Miltonic sonnet and Shakespearean sonnet. There is no similarity between Shakespearean sonnet and Miltonic sonnet. The Shakespearean sonnet is altogether different from the Miltonic sonnet. Miltonic sonnet consists of two parts, octave and sestet. Octave means the stanza of 8 lines, and sestet means the stanza of 6 lines. Fourteen lines. Next comes the rhyme scheme of the two sonnets. First of all, the rhyme scheme of Shakespearean sonnet. The rhyme scheme of Shakespearean sonnet is A B A B, C D C D, E F E F, and G G. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. 14 lines. The basic thing in this sonnet, in the rhyme scheme of the sonnet, that the last two lines have similar scheme, the similar rhyme scheme G. And next, what is the rhyme scheme of Miltonic sonnet? A B B A B B A. The rhyme scheme of the octave part, and the rhyme scheme of sestet part is C D C or C D E. Sestet part. This part is optional, so sestet also contains the rhyme scheme CDC or BCD. So here we have completed what is the sonnet, what type of sonnets are there. Next, we comes at our poem Like as the Waves. In the Like as the Waves, the poet shows the destructive power of the time. He shows time is succeeded but only half succeeded in his theft. Time has taken away all his dear things. his beloveds, his friends, but time is half succeeded. Why? Because the poet remembers his friend W.H. When our poet remembers his friend W.H., he automatically forgets all his miseries, powers, griefs. He puts his friend above time. He says that his friend is more powerful than the cruel time. Even the cruel hand of time could not take away his friend W.H. His memories, the memories of the poets are fresh about his friend W.H. Whenever he thinks about his friend W.H., he forgets all the sorrows, miseries, grief of the world. So, who becomes powerful in the end? His friend W.H. becomes powerful. He puts his friend W.H. over time. So, dear students, here I end the foundation things about our poem like as the waves.